Puzzle generator for PowerPoint. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creator Beat, and welcome to our channel where we show you how to make money online with low content products like KDP, low content books, printables, and digital planners that you can sell on other platforms. So today I'm actually reviewing Luke Bow's great add-on for PowerPoint. Now I've been using his products for quite some time, and I have done a previous video where I showed you using his mega pack generator that help you do diaries and things like that, so I'll connect in the top right hand corner to that video as well. But the reason why I'm doing this is because he's doing like a January blue sale, in the fact that instead of it being £6.99 a month, which is about $9.50, he's doing it for £4.99 a month, which is about $6.75. So with the link that I'll be giving you down in the description, you'll be able to get that out. There is also 1 week's free trial, so you can go and check out what you get. Now, he's always adding new things. When I first got this puzzle generator, there was the word search in it, there was crosswords, there was sudoku, there was some cryptograms, but every time I go in, there is more and more puzzles, there's more generation things. There's even now included is the maths, the kids maths, where you can do timed books and sell them either on Teachers Pay Teachers or put them on timed books in KDP. Now I created one of those timed books, and it took me ages to do because I could get the Excel spreadsheet to import into PowerPoint, but I couldn't get the solution bit. I had to go through and do every single solution, so it took me ages to do that. But now he's got this macro that actually works, and that's basically what it is. All of these are macros, and you can add them onto your PowerPoint. It does work for Mac. I use a Mac. It also works for Windows. In fact, it probably works better for Windows than for Mac. And I'm going to show you inside. So this is a new PowerPoint presentation, and basically it's an add-on. So these are Luke's different add-ons that he's got. In fact, he gave that one free to anybody who's got his products that are in his group. But this is it. This is this BP puzzle generator. So I'm going to click OK. So you'll see it up here. I have people that ask me about these. And this is the puzzle generator. So if I click on it, you can see there's all sorts of things. So I'm just going to get rid of that there. And the first thing that you'll see is that there's this choose trim size, and I can go in and choose different trim sizes that I want, and automatically the page is there. I can also add and remove bleed, so this comes up and it's now telling me that's bleed. So if I go into design and I go and check my slide size, it's added for me. I can see that. Now I can go back and remove it, and we can see that it's already changed there. But if I go, it also gives me this little message. And then if I go here, back to design, back to slide size, I can see it's automatically changed for me. So that in itself is amazing. You can also change individual fonts. You can insert page numbers. You can set your gutter sizes as well. And you can also remove colour from your pictures. Now, this doesn't work so well in the Mac version. It does work better in the Windows version, but in the Mac I've struggled to actually get that to work. But the whole point of this is that there is all these puzzles that you can actually create. Now, some of them, like the Sudoku, let me go to that, you can click on it and you'll get this message here. You can change the text if necessary. You can add information as well, so, and it'll do it, and you can say how many page numbers you want. So we'll go for 1. Grids by page, so you can have that. You can have 4 solutions or 2 solutions by page or 6 solutions by page. So you can have any of those there. And if I click OK, in fact, I've got to have 4 because there's 4 solutions. So I'm going to click OK, and it's busy working. And there we go. So you can see it started to create these And it starts with the solutions first, and then it sort of puts the other ones in. Okay, so that is all of that done. So you can see, and it's big as well. It's a huge, so you could do a huge print or large font, should I say, for a Sudoku book, if that's what you're doing for KDP, or if you want to put onto Etsy and you want to sell these. So you can go in and edit different things. You can't edit these because this is like a PNG, but you can edit any of the fonts here. So that is great. And then there's other games like these as well, these Japanese style games, Hitori, Kauriwa, I can't say any of them. Number plays, 4 in a row, Kalkuduka, so that is a mixture of different ones. A skyscraper, there are mazes as well. Let me just insert. Now he has got another maze product that does a lot more than this one. Let me just show you. So there's warships, there's range puzzles, there's mine finder, there's word puzzles, there's cryptograms, and like I said, there's mazes here. So if we just click on here, again we can add that, and again, and you can change the colors as well. So if you are doing it to KDP, you'll want to do that. And then I'm just going to let what is set already start creating, so you can see that that is created an intermediate one. And there we go. So that is the maze one complete. And then, like I said, there's also this kid's maths equation. So again, you can put instructions there as well. Click continue. And then you can choose from here. You can choose what operator. So if you just want it to be the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, the divide, you can do separate pages of those. You can do the multi-operations of addition and subtract together, or multiplication and divide together, or you can have it so it does every single one together. You can also change the difficulty, so the numbers is 1 to 9, or 10 to 99, or 100 to 999, or 1000 to 9999. Again, you can change the size, the font size. You can hide elements as well. You can put like a line for date, or you can have it so it doesn't hide anything. You can decide how many numbers you want, how many pages you want. So we can take it down to like page 1, and that I'll do for page 4. And then you can decide what operator, so we'll do plus, and again we'll do the simple one there, and you can have your results as results or number. I'm not sure what the difference is, let me just check. Number, and then it starts working through, and basically it's put the date there. Now you can hide that, so you've not set it up on a certain date. Now if you were a teacher, that is great, because you can set that for any classes that you're doing on this date. This is the test that was taken. So amazing how quickly that works. So that is one. So it's doing the reverse. What's the missing number there as well? So you can see all the solutions. You can move them around as well. And I just think that is amazing. So that is that. But you've also got word search and crosswords and cryptograms and all of that. But what you need to do for those is you need to actually put everything into this spreadsheet that comes. So I'm going to show you. You actually, when you download this software here from Loop, it actually comes in a folder, and then you use whichever one you need to do. And he's got instruction videos showing you how to add it to whatever product you're doing. So the executable files are there if you are Windows, and then it's there for you to add. It's very simple, just follow the video. And then once you've got it set up in your add-ons, that's when you see it in your top browser. But to do any of the word searches or anything like that, you need to actually come in here and add them too. So you can see I've got crosswords, and then you can see I've got word searches here as well. So put in the words, and then you've got cryptograms as well. and word scramble. So every time you do anything different that you need to add to this, you must click on here and click submit. So you click OK, and that's basically talking to this. So it needs to be in the same folder so that everything can talk. And then let's just insert here a puzzle generator, and I think I'll do word scramble. And again, it comes here. So I can add that and just simply click OK. And then it sort of does the word scramble very quickly. And obviously that's because those are the texts that he's got in as the default. And that's all what you get. You get all of these, so you can go and check them out on the sales page. Again, the link will be down in the description. There is a 2-minute video where you can go and check all the different things. And like I said, all of these have been added. When I first purchased it, it was word searches, crosswords, that maze and sudoku, and the colouring book pages, and then everything else has been added and keeps being added as well. And again, it works both on PC and Mac, but you must make sure you've got a 2013 PowerPoint newer and up. It says future updates are likely but not guaranteed. I keep seeing updates all the time. It's also got a Facebook group. You can go in there, you can request things. I think the whole reason why that with the additions and the multiplications, I think that was added as a customer request. So again, if you want to check it out, there is a 1-week free trial for you to have a look. Also, if you get it over the next few days, 28th of January to the 31st of January, you can save £2. Instead of paying $6.99 a month, you're paying $4.99 a month, which is about $6.75 depending on exchange rates. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the little bell, and I'll leave you a link to the video that shows you using the mega pack where you can actually create diaries and calendars inside PowerPoint using one of Luke's add-ons.